Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new Screen Studio project. Do that now. Select 1920x 1080 and 30 frames per second to match common targets, because consistency prevents export glitches. Once done, connect your mic and camera and set input levels so peaks sit around -6 dB. This keeps audio clean. Make sure to name your project clearly so versioning is simple. Also, enable autosave and set a project folder. You will thank yourself later when files stay organized. Now capture and layer your content. Start display capture for the entire screen and window capture for specific apps, while camera capture records your face. You should record narration on a separate track to allow clean edits. Once segments are good, lock those tracks. Use markers during recording to note key moments so edits are faster. When assembling, cut smartly, apply brief transitions for flow, and adjust gain versus clip level to balance voice against system sounds. Keep clips organized in labeled bins. Finish by mixing and exporting. Compress and EQ your voice so it sits above system sounds, normalize peaks to about -3 dB, and listen critically. Export using H.264 at 8 to 12 Mbps for 1080p. Include burned or separate captions if needed. Once exported, watch the full file to confirm a /v sync. If something goes wrong, playback stutters or encoding fails, clear render cache. Lower preview resolution, or re-encode using a 2-pass setting. These steps usually fix corrupted frames or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.